So what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is just infection of the lungs. That's all. All right. And mainly, really, really, if you look closely, it's usually resulting in inflammation of the alveoli. All right. So those air sacs, those balloons, usually those are the main. That's the main focus. All right, of pneumonia. Okay. So this is what a healthy lung looks like with a healthy alveoli and bronchial. All right. The moment you have pneumonia, an infection, okay, of the lung and the of the lung, usually the alveoli and sometimes the bronchioles, okay, you see that they get filled with pus, okay, with fluid, all right, with mucus, okay. It's not supposed to be so. It's supposed to be clear and very, very nice, filled with air. The same way a balloon is filled with air. And when inflammation occurs, then it gets filled with fluid. All right, that's what we do not want. Okay, we don't want that because when the sacs get filled with fluid, you are creating a big barrier that prevents gaseous exchange. So now oxygen is not able to pass through to get to the capillaries, and carbon dioxide too can't come out. All right, so that's what is happening in pneumonia. You see, look at it very carefully. Look at this. Look at this nyama nyama thing. All right, it's blocking oxygen from going out and carbon dioxide from going in. All right. Okay, so usually this is what you cough out, and they cough, then it comes here, nasty, yucky, yucky. All right, so this is it. Okay, so anytime you think of pneumonia, picture this. All right, picture this. Okay, so this also explains the same thing. So oxygen delivery to the capillaries is impaired.